Howdy y'all, it's Kathy from RustPaperScissors, and I'm here today to do an update on a listing in my Etsy store. I've been selling these rusted number plates for a while, and I've had several requests for specific numbers, and I've always tried to honor those. Sometimes I can't, but I finally realized that I could update my Etsy store and have a list of the numbers that are available, and you can choose from them. So what I did is I have numbers 1 through 50, and I have them listed in the description box on my Etsy store. And I tell you how many number 1s I have, how many number 17s, how many 25s, and then you just select the 3 numbers that you want and you put it in the personalization section of the Etsy shop. It should be pretty self-explanatory on my channel, but I just wanted to show you the numbers, and I just wanted to show you some of the ways I use them, and that you might could use them. You can use them on a tag. They come with these. They come with the little brads, and my lighting's not very good today. It's late in the day, but I wanted to get this video up. This is another example of on an envelope where I added. You could add a number plate. This is a journal, and just to show you what it looks like on a journal. It's a small journal. And then these two are just little tags that I added. I just added these just for show for the video. And then the last one is a tag that I made, and it is actually attached. The number plate is actually attached on this one. So that's just an idea, but I just wanted you to know that now you can go in and select the 3 numbers that you want for your tags. Like I say, I have numbers 1 through 50. It's updated in my Etsy shop. I have other rusted elements for sale in my Etsy shop too, and a few journals and some inserts. I'd appreciate it if you took a look. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.